Right, so this is another look at my Sony MiniDisc player. See previous video for replacement of the belt. I'm just going to have a look at a minor fault or annoyance. So this track list here, you can select the one you want with this control on the right, but it seems to be a little bit flaky. Sometimes it sort of skips and sort of goes backwards, like I was rotating right there, and somehow it's ended back at 4, hasn't moved. Going left, several has gone to 3, and so on. So you can get it to the number you want eventually, but it's not really behaving quite right. And you've got the remote control, which is even easier, but still I'm thinking that maybe there's some dirt on the contact. I'm not sure how this works, but some switch rotary encoder. So I'm going to take it apart, have a look, see if it's an easy fix, and see what we can do. So with the back off, this is the board here. So I'm just going to try and undo those screws that are obvious and disconnect the ribbon cable and see if that board will come out. Yeah, so with those screws removed, I was able to move the board back. It's a little bit fiddly, and the front panel button assembly comes off, so we could clean those if I need to. But it will come part way because of the connector at the back. If I can get in, yeah, you can just about see there at the back. It's a connector to the next board along. But I think I can get some contact cleaner in this one, and maybe I'll do that one as well for good measure. Maybe I'll put this on its side and put some paper around so that the spray doesn't go everywhere, which is a tendency of the contact cleaner to sort of spread all over the place. So I'll give that a go and see if that improves the operation of that control. So the encoder was quite hard to get some cleaner in. Just down the spindle I sprayed a bit and turned it and sprayed a bit more, did it a few times. So don't know how much went in, but it seems to be a bit better. Seems to be much more predictable as you turn and doesn't sort of skip backwards and forwards too much as it did before occasionally. Don't seem to be having that problem now. So I think I will leave it at that, and at least hopefully it'll have stopped it getting any worse. Okay, thank you for watching.